The story around the next extreme hot hatch from Volkswagen is getting more interesting, especially as the brand continues to celebrate its performance legacy. What started back in 2002 with the original Golf R32 has evolved into something far more serious, and now the company is preparing to take things to another level with a purpose-built machine aimed straight at the Nürburgring. Instead of giving enthusiasts the 5-cylinder engine many have been asking for in the Volkswagen Golf R, the company is going in a completely different direction. This new project is not just an upgraded road car, it is a dedicated track weapon developed alongside Max Kruse Racing, and everything about it suggests that it has been designed with one goal in mind: performance at the limit. Visually, the transformation is impossible to miss. The front end is dominated by an oversized splitter that looks ready to scrape the asphalt at high speed, clearly designed to maximize downforce. Along the sides, the widened and squared-off wheel arches give the car a much more aggressive stance, hinting at a significantly wider track and race-focused setup. At the rear, things become even more extreme. The traditional rear glass has been replaced with a solid panel, making room for a massive rear wing that towers over the car. Combined with a deep diffuser and additional aerodynamic elements, it is clear that airflow management has taken priority over everyday usability. Even the front fenders feature vents, reinforcing the idea that cooling and aerodynamic efficiency are key priorities here. There was some early speculation that this could be an electric project, especially given the absence of the signature quad exhaust outlets. However, that idea quickly fades once you notice the hood vents and the visible side-mounted exhaust, both strong indicators that a combustion engine is still at the heart of this machine. While official technical specifications have not been released yet, it is clear that this is not a mild evolution of the current car. For now, the model is being described as a show car, but that label does not tell the full story. Development is already underway for a race-ready version that will take on one of the most demanding circuits in the world. Internally, there is confidence that this could become the most dramatic and focused Golf R ever built. As for a street-legal version, expectations should be kept realistic. This is a race car first and foremost. Still, there have been hints in the past that a more track-focused variant for public roads could eventually happen. If that becomes reality, it could bridge the gap between everyday usability and serious performance in a way that fans have been waiting for.